Nadu kakat kandai tarik unopra arajat kat kandai. Lasoi da baro ki MLA bandawana ka sorkar kami ban aino ya ka ILP ha ka jella. Hendrai mentala kata snem 4 yok sengo ya ka jubab na ka sorkar kami. Ngakwa tip ya ka status jong ka ILP keli UPT Sawkmie u MLA ka Maulai constituency. U CM u Konrad Sangma u jubab dah ka baong baka sorkar kala shimkhia ya ka ne ka jingbut din. Bat hadu artli kishiti bat kawai ka memorandum ladap ai sya ka Home Ministry Halor ka ILP. Nalor kata u CM ulah kubur baka sorkar jung u kayait kren syapang. Nalor kata u CM ulah kubur baka sorkar jung u kayait kren nakapor sya kapor Halor ka ILP man baki poi sya Delhi.
Of reminding the government of India of this issue. So why I'm saying that, like that, sir, that if we recall that the state of Manipur 3 times on the floor of the House, they have already passed a resolution again to remind. So on this, may I know from Honorable Chief Minister, for nearly completion of 2 years, or is there any optional communication from the government of India to the government of Meghalaya that optional talk is already going on this issue, sir?
So we have, of course, expressed and shown our seriousness on this issue by passing the resolution on 19th of December 2019, and further it was sent to Government of India on 23rd of December 2019. And post that also, sir, we have, I have personally followed up with Government of India, with the Honorable Home Minister in writing twice to him, reminding him about this resolution that we passed, and also as a memorandum which was submitted by the Cabinet when the Honorable Home Minister had come to Shillong for a meeting of the NEC. And continuously, sir, the efforts are on from our side, even at unofficial levels. Discussions and talks are taking place. But this, of course, is a process, and it requires continuous engagement with Government of India. And we are trying our best, but from our side as a government and all the members who are present in this House, the fact that we have passed this resolution is the most serious step that we have taken till date to show our concern and our stand on the ILP. Hence, sir, as of now, as I said, there is that is the communication that has taken place, the resolution, sending of the resolution, and 3 letters being sent, 2 letters plus 1 memorandum, which has gone from the government to the Ministry of Home Affairs.
Sir, Mr. Speaker, sir, from the reply of the Honorable Chief Minister, I can understand that from his side, he have done his work of meeting officially, unofficially with Union Home Minister regarding this issue. So since the matter is already been nearly 2 years about this set, whether the government feel that it seems that it's high time again of to knocking the door of the government of India, especially to the Ministry of Home Affairs, by appointing of a senior minister and senior official, again to pursue of this matter, sir.
As I said, the matter is being followed up continuously, and I have been following it up myself also. So hence the matter and the process is on, and we are engaging continuously with the Government of India, sir.
So last question, sir. Sir, I feel that though the government have already expressed sincerity on this issue or seriousness on this issue, but we understand, sir, unless that somebody go and meeting quite oftenly, you understand that we are human being, we are busy. We understand the government of India is believed looking after all the city of the country, but no, you will not got seriousness about our issue of ILP. But I feel that if the Honorable Chief Minister, if not the senior minister, if not the senior official, if he can use the service of the 3 MPs that we have in New Delhi, like we have in Shillong MP, Tura MP, and the President Rajya Sabha MP. That will be much better. That many important, you understand, sir, because MPs more the time are there in Delhi. If we couldn't trust it, if we convey, giving the option letter to them, and I'm sure that even them also will be much happy of posing about the main important issue of ASEAN. With these words, sir, thank you, sir.
So I've noted the suggestion down. As I said, sir, the matter is continuously followed up at my level, even Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and other ministers whenever we go to Delhi. This matter is always discussed, and we are continuously following it up, sir. And the suggestion given that MPs also can communicate this. The MPs are doing it at time and again. Once in a while, we hear them speak about the ILP also. But